very good afternoon, my dear children. I welcome you back to the class. Okay, I hope you have all enjoyed your holidays, and a warm welcome to you all and a happy new year to all of you. Okay, let's go to the class. Okay, in science we have completed how many lessons? In science we have completed till lesson number 10. You all remember? Yes, till 10 we have completed. Today we are going to learn lesson number 11, materials from animals. Okay, materials from animals. Let's turn the book to page number 64. Let's turn the books to page number 64. Okay, materials from animals. The topic of the lesson is materials from animals. Okay, what are the things we get from animals? We are going to learn about it. Okay, yes, the subdivisions are the silk, wool and leather. Okay, in this topic we are going to learn first. These are the things. Silk, wool and leather are the materials that we get from animals. Okay, first we move on to silk. Okay, I've already talked about silk in the previous lesson number 10 and 9, isn't it? Yes, you all remember. Yes, silk is made from the thread with which the silkworm spins its cocoon. Okay, yes, cocoon. And silkworms are grown in special forms and they are kept in the basket and given mulberry leaves to eat. The food of the silkworm is the mulberry leaves. Okay, mulberry leaves. You can look at the picture also. Silkworms feeding on mulberry leaves. Okay, yes, and some silkworms eat the leaves of other plants, not only the mulberry leaves and also other plants. Okay, and the silk from different silkworms is different. All are not same. Okay, the silk from different silkworms are different. You can look at the picture. There are many types of silk. Some shine more than others and some feel very softer and some looks shining also. Okay, yes. Where does the silk come? Silk comes from the silkworm. Okay, and the silkworm spin its cocoon, and the silkworms are reared in a special forms and it's called a sericulture, the process. Okay, yes. Next we move on to wool. Wool is the hair. Wool is the hair that grows on the body of the sheep and some other animals. Wool is the hair. What is wool? Wool is nothing but the hair that grows on the body of the sheep is called wool, and also some other animals. The coat of hair on a sheep is called fleece. You can underline it. Fleece. What is fleece? The coat of hair on a sheep is called fleece. And the clipping of fleece from the body of a sheep. Clipping is nothing but the separating the hair from the body. Okay. The clipping of fleece. Fleece. What is fleece? The hair of the sheep is called as the fleece. And clipping of fleece, that is the separating the hair from the body of a sheep, is called shearing. What is it called? You can underline it. Shearing. S-H-E-A-R-I-G. Shearing. Okay. After shearing, the wool is washed clean because small blood particles will be there, dust will be there, small minute particles will be, unwanted hairs will be there, so we have to clean it first. Okay, first shearing. Second, after shearing, the wool is being washed clean. Then its thread like fibers are drawn and twisted to make yarn. This we have already learned in the previous lesson. What is it called? This is called as the spinning. Okay, first the hair is being removed. Okay, wool. What is wool? Wool is the hair of the sheep, on the body of a sheep or some other animals also. And the coat of hair on a sheep is called fleece. And the and the separating the hair from the body of a sheep is called as the shearing. Okay, after shearing, when when the hair has been removed, then the wool is being washed clean, and then it is drawn and twisted to make it yarn, and this process is called as spinning. Okay, what is it called? Spinning. Okay, next we want next one. Some woolen yarn is used for knitting woolens. Okay, some woolen yarn is nothing but thread. Okay, thread is used for knitting woolens. Some is used to weave fabric or cloth also. And woolen cloth is used to make coats and dresses. It's also used to make sweaters, coats. It's used mainly in the winter season, isn't it? Yes, you can look at the picture also with sweaters and cap, and it's used for many ways. Like silk, there are different kinds of wool. Wool is got from some other animals. What are they? Camels, yaks, and some kinds of goats also gives us wool. Okay, what are the animals which gives us wool? Camels, yaks, and some kinds of goats also gives us wool. And these wools are not the same. Okay, all are not same, and it will vary. The wool of these animals, camels and yaks, and the other goats, wool will be different. All will be different. They will not be the same. Okay. Yes. Next. Leather. Next we move on to leather. What's a leather? Leather is made from the skins of animals like buffaloes, sheep, and goats. Leather is made. What is the leather? Leather is nothing but the leather is made from the skin of the animals. It's made from the skin of the animals like buffalo, sheep, goats. What is the process? How is it made? Leather is made. First, the skins are first soaked in salt water. Skin are first soaked in salt and water. First salt and then water. Okay. Then the hair and fat sticking to the skins are clean. Okay, the unwanted hair and the blood and the fat layers will be there, and all the unwanted things, dust particles will be there, will be sticking into the skin, isn't it? Yes, they are being cleaned and removed. Second one. First one, the skin are first soaked in salt water. Next process, second step is the hair and the unwanted things which are sticking in the skin will be cleaned. Then third step is the cleaned skins are soaked in special liquids to make them last longer. For third one is the cleaned skin has been soaked or been dipped into a special liquid. That means which will makes them to last longer. Okay, and this process is called as tanning. What is it called as? This is called as tanning. The hair has been removed and it has been cleaned. The skins are soaked in special liquid for give a good result, and that process is called as tanning. Okay. Why? Untanned skins rot easily, because if it is not, tanning process is not done, what will happen? The skin, it will the skin will not be used for making leather, isn't it? The untanned skins are not easy. Okay, it will rot easily, so it will not be flexible to make leather. So the tanning process has been done. Finally, the last one is oil is rubbed into the skins to make them smooth and soft. Last one is the oil is being rubbed in the tanned skin, from the tanned skin, and it makes the skin soft and smooth. Why oil is applied? Oil is rubbed into the skin to make them smooth and soft. Okay, and then the skin is being dried off. Okay, this is the way by which the leather has been made. Okay. Yes, different kinds of skins are used to make different kinds of things. Okay, you can look at the picture and the above on the page number 67. See, belts, shoes, balls, purse, wallets. Wallet is nothing but a purse. Okay, belts, book covers, everything is made with the by the leather. Okay, different kinds of skins are used to make different kinds of things. They are also tanned differently. Tanned, what is tanning? What is the tanning? Tanning is nothing but the cleaned skins. When the skins first soaked in the salt water, and then the hair or the extra fitting fats or some skins or hair, unwanted things will be sticking into the skin. So the cleaned skin are soaked in special liquid. Okay, special chemical liquid. Why they are soaked in a special liquid? Because to remove all the dust, remove unwanted things, and also to make them last longer. That process is called as tanning. Okay, and these tanning are also done in differently. No, it's not done in the same process. Okay, it is vary from according to the material. Leather is used. What are the uses of leather? Leather is used to make shoes, bags, wallets, belts, and gloves, jackets, and many other things. Okay, it's also used to make sports goods and musical instruments like tabla example. Okay, these are the uses of leather. Okay, this is a very easy and a simple lesson. You can learn it very easily. Okay, yes, I hope you understand the lesson. I just for a recap, what I see, what is the topic of the lesson is the materials from animals. What are the things we get from animals? First, we saw about the silk. Silk is it's made from the thread of which the silkworm spins. What is it called? It's called as cocoon. Yes, and silkworms are reared or grown in the special forms. And what does they eat? They eat mulberry leaves. Okay, mulberry leaves. Next, we saw about the wool. Wool is nothing but the hair of the hair. Wool is the hair that grows on the body of the sheep. And also some other animals, not only sheep and also some other animals. What is it called? The coat of the hair on the sheep is called fleece, Fleece. And the clipping of fleece, that is the separating the hair from the body of a sheep, is called as shearing. Yes, after shearing, when the hair is being removed, separated, what next process? What is the next process? The wool is being cleaned or washed, and then the thread-like fibers are drawn and twisted to make yarn, and this process is called spinning. Yes, understood? Yes, and last is we also see this the leather. Leather is made from the skin of the animals like buffalo, sheep, and goats. And first, what is the process is this? First, the skins are being soaked in salt water, and then the hair and the fat sticking and the unwanted things are being removed or cleaned. And the clean skins are soaked in special liquid to prevent from the decomposing or for making them to last longer. And this process is called tanning. And if tanning is not done, it will rot easily. The skin will rot easily. So that the tanning is being done. Okay. Finally, the oil is rubbed into the skin to make them smooth and soft. And they are being dried. And then leather is made. Yes, I hope you understand the lesson well. Yes, and for your homework, children, I will send the filling the blanks, learn the filling the blanks and the spelling words. Okay, I learn the filling blanks and spelling words, and learn the try to read all lessons without any spelling mistakes. Okay, thank you, children.